I made $847 last week while studying for finals. No, I'm not selling feet pics, and yes, it's 100% legal. These 7 side hustles are making college students more money in 2026 than some people make at their full-time jobs, and number 4 literally took me 20 minutes to set up. Let's get into it. What's up, everyone? If you're tired of eating ramen noodles every night and checking your bank account with one eye closed, this video is for you. I'm breaking down 7 legitimate side hustles that actually work for students in 2026, not the same recycled garbage you've seen a million times. These are real opportunities I've either done myself or seen friends absolutely crush. And stick around until the end because number 7 is something most students don't even know exists yet, but it's honestly a gold mine. Before we jump in, quick favor, smash that like button. It helps the algorithm show this to more broke college students who need it. Alright, let's make you some money. Side hustle number 1. AI prompt engineering for small businesses. Okay, first up, AI prompt engineering for small businesses. Now, before you click away thinking, I don't know anything about AI, hear me out. In 2026, every small business owner knows they should be using AI, but most have no clue how to use it effectively. That's where you come in. You're basically helping local businesses create custom AI workflows. Think, a coffee shop that needs help automating their social media captions, a realtor who wants AI to write property descriptions, or a gym that needs email templates for their members. You don't need to be a tech genius. You just need to be better at ChatGPT, Claude, or whatever AI tool than the average 45-year-old business owner. Students are charging anywhere from $100 to $500 per business setup, and once you have a template, you can replicate it. I know someone who made $3,200 in a month just setting up AI systems for 5 local businesses. Start by creating sample workflows for different industries. Make a portfolio Google Doc showing before and after examples. Then hit up local business Facebook groups or LinkedIn and offer a free consultation. Once they see what you can do, they'll pay. Trust me. Side hustle number 2. College Notes Marketplace. Number 2. Selling your notes. And no, I don't just mean to your classmates for $20. There are platforms in 2026 like Nexus Notes and Study Pool where students are making passive income selling their organized class notes to students across the country. Here's the thing, you're already taking notes, right? You might as well get paid for it. The key is making them actually good. We're talking color-coded, well-organized, comprehensive study guides. Think of it as creating the product you wish existed when you were studying. Top sellers on these platforms make anywhere from $200 to $2,000 per month. And it's mostly passive. You upload once, students buy it for semesters to come. Some people are selling notes from classes they took 2 years ago. Focus on weed out classes, organic chemistry, calculus 2, economics 101. Those are the classes where students are desperate for help and willing to pay premium prices for quality notes. Side hustle number 3. Social media management for local businesses. Number 3 is social media management for local businesses, and this one is huge right now. Local businesses are finally understanding they need to be on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, but they have no time or idea how to do it. As a student, you already understand these platforms better than any business owner. You know what goes viral, you know the trends, you understand the algorithms. That knowledge is incredibly valuable. You're creating content, posting consistently, engaging with comments, maybe running some basic ads. A lot of businesses just want 3 to 4 posts per week and someone to respond to DMs. That's it. Students are charging $300 to $800 per month per client for basic management. Get 3 clients? That's up to $2,400 a month. And once you have systems in place, you can batch create content and manage multiple clients without it taking over your life. Find businesses with weak social media presence, under 500 followers, posting inconsistently, bad content. Reach out with specific ideas for their business. Don't send a generic pitch. Show them you've actually looked at their page and have ideas to improve it. Side hustle number 4. Flip textbooks and tech. Alright, number 4 is textbook and tech flipping, and this one is stupid simple, but surprisingly profitable. Students are literally throwing away money every semester. Here's what you do. At the end of each semester, buy textbooks from students for cheap. They're desperate to get rid of them. Then sell them at the beginning of next semester for 3-5x what you paid. Same thing with tech. Students sell their old iPads, laptops, and AirPods for nothing when they upgrade. You buy them, clean them up, and resell them on Facebook Marketplace or eBay. I know a guy who started with $200 and turned it into $1,800 in one semester just flipping textbooks. He'd buy a $150 textbook for $30 to $40 at the end of spring semester, then sell it for $110 to $120 in the fall. Focus on required textbooks for big classes. Those are guaranteed sales. And for tech, anything Apple holds value incredibly well. Side hustle number 5. Freelance video editing. Number 5. Freelance video editing. With every business, influencer, and their grandma trying to make video content in 2026, video editors are in insane demand. The best part? You don't need to be a pro. Basic editing skills are enough for 80% of clients. We're talking about cutting clips, adding captions, simple transitions, and maybe some music. If you can edit your Instagram stories, you can learn this. YouTubers need editors. Podcasters need clips made for TikTok and Instagram. Real estate agents need property tour videos. Small businesses need promo videos. The demand is everywhere.
Beginners charge $50-150 per video.
As you get better, that goes up to $200-500 plus per video. If you edit just 2 videos per week at $100 each, that's $800 a month. Some student editors, I know, are making $3,000 plus monthly. Learn the basics on YouTube. Seriously, there are thousands of free tutorials. Start with CapCut or DaVinci Resolve, since they're free. Create 3 to 5 sample videos for your portfolio. Then start reaching out to small YouTubers or local businesses offering to edit their first video for cheap or free in exchange for a testimonial. Build from there. Side hustle number 6. Campus brand ambassador. Number 6 is becoming a campus brand ambassador, and this is actually easier than you think. Companies are desperate to reach college students, and they'll pay you to be their representative on campus. You're basically promoting products you probably already use. Hand out samples, post on social media, throw events, get your friends to sign up, or try products. It's literally getting paid to be social. In 2026, everything from food delivery apps to fintech companies to fashion brands have ambassador programs. Red Bull, Bumble, Spotify, Amazon, fitness brands, they all want college representation. Most programs pay $15 to $25 per hour, plus you get free products, exclusive perks, and sometimes commission on sales. Some students make $500 to $1,500 per month, depending on how active they are. Plus, it actually looks good on your resume. Search brand name, campus ambassador program, or check out platforms like Hype or Affluencer that connect students with brands. Apply to multiple programs. The barrier to entry is low, so cast a wide net. Side hustle number 7. Notion template creation. Alright, number 7, the one I said most students don't know about, creating and selling Notion templates. This is blowing up in 2026, and it's honestly wild how much money people are making from this. Everyone uses Notion now for organization, students, entrepreneurs, creators. But most people don't want to build their systems from scratch. They want pre-made templates they can just plug in and use. That's where you come in. Study planners, habit trackers, course organizers, budget templates, content calendars, project management dashboards. If you've built a Notion system that works for you, other people will pay for it. Students are selling templates for $5 to $50 each on Gumroad, Etsy, or directly through their social media. It sounds small, but when you have 10 templates and each sells 20 copies a month at $15, that's $3,000 per month in passive income. Create once, sell forever. The key is showing your templates in action. Create TikToks or YouTube shorts showing how you use them. Make them aesthetically pleasing. Students eat that up. Once you have one successful template, create variations and build a product line. So there you have it, 7 side hustles that are actually working for students in 2026. Look, I'm not going to sit here and tell you you'll get rich overnight because that's BS. But if you pick even one of these and actually commit to it for a few months, you can easily be making an extra $500 to $2,000 per month. That's rent money. That's not eating ramen money. That's building savings money. The question is, which one are you going to start with? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you want more videos on actually making money as a student, not just theory but real, practical advice, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Remember, the difference between you and the students making thousands with these side hustles isn't talent or luck. It's just that they started. So stop watching and start doing. I'll see you in the next one.